Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. The Classic Bleached White, your French coastal escape. Ever dream of a house that feels like a deep breath of salty air? That's the magic of the French coastal style, a look that's less about perfection and more about sun-bleached, windswept calm. We're going to build that dream around one hero, a pure bright white with a soft matte finish. Think of it as your canvas, like Benjamin Moore's Chantilly lace, which is so clean and crisp it mimics sunlight itself. Against this white, we'll layer the quietest, softest neutrals you can imagine. Think oatmeals, pale jute, and silvery gray woods. It's a palette stolen straight from the dunes and cliffs. Ready to make your home feel like a relaxed retreat in Normandy? Let's walk through it together. Picture a house that looks gently weathered by the sea breeze. The main exterior walls are painted in that perfect matte white, which glows softly in the daylight. Shutters and doors are clad in weathered gray wood, like driftwood given new purpose. The garden isn't fussy. It's a tangle of lavender, rosemary, and hydrangeas in muted blues and purples. A gravel path crunches underfoot, leading to a weathered teak bench. It's all about creating that first impression of effortless, timeless tranquility. Step inside and feel the stress melt away. The walls here are that same beautiful chalky white, making the space feel instantly airy and bright. Underfoot, a large coir or jute rug in a pale oatmeal tone adds texture and warmth. A simple console table in bleached oak holds a single ceramic vase with dried seagrass or eucalyptus. The lighting is key. A woven rattan pendant or a simple iron lantern casts soft, dappled shadows. You're not just entering a house, you're arriving at your sanctuary. This is where you'll sink in and truly unwind. Our bright white walls act as a serene backdrop for a sofa upholstered in a soft, linen oatmeal fabric. Accents come in as weathered gray wood. Picture a rustic coffee table or open shelving filled with books and shells. Throw blankets in pale jute and off-white wool are draped casually over armchairs. The only hints of pattern might be in a subtle, striped cushion or a natural fiber basket. The overall feeling is one of comfortable, sunlit repose. Imagine waking up here, feeling like you're in a cloud. The matte white walls ensure the room feels restful and expansive. Your bed is dressed in layers of white and oatmeal linens, all in different textures. Crisp percale, nubby linen, a soft knit throw. The headboard or nightstands could be in that lovely silvery gray weathered wood. A pale jute rug warms up the floor beside the bed. Keep decor minimal. A piece of coral on the windowsill, a simple rattan pendant overhead. It's pure quiet bliss. This space is made for long leisurely meals. A farmhouse table in pale, lime-washed or weathered oak is the star, surrounded by mismatched, slip-covered chairs in white and oatmeal. Above it, a statement chandelier, perhaps made of twisted iron or woven seagrass, adds organic shape. Displays on a sideboard are simple: a stack of white pottery, a worn wooden dough bowl. The white walls make everything feel clean and open, while the natural textures keep it from feeling cold. It's effortlessly inviting. The heart of the home should feel both functional and beautiful. Cabinetry is best in a shaker style, painted in our go-to bright white with a matte finish. Countertops could be pale gray limestone or honed quartzite for a soft, natural look. Open shelves in weathered gray would display everyday white dishes and woven baskets. Hardware is uncomplicated iron or unlacquered brass that will age gracefully. A pale jute runner adds warmth underfoot. It's a kitchen that feels collected, not clinical. Here we create a spa-like sense of calm. White matte subway tiles or plaster-like walls keep things bright and clean. The vanity might be a reclaimed piece in weathered gray wood, topped with a stone vessel sink. Accents of pale jute appear in the bath mat and in natural fiber storage baskets. Towels are a mix of pure white and soft oatmeal for a layered look. Finish with a simple iron mirror and a single candle. It's a quiet, soothing space that feels authentically worn in and peaceful.